What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Quiz Dino, the craziest emoji playground for food lovers. Today's game is Guess the Snack and Junk Food by the Emoji. Get ready to test your foodie brain with 60 tasty emoji puzzles. You've only got 10 seconds per puzzle to figure out the snack or junk food. Think fast, trust your dino instincts, and yell out those answers before time runs out. But before we jump in, a massive shout out to everyone who totally nailed that last quiz. Want to see your name in the next video? Just drop your answers in the comments, and you could be our next snack superstar. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Dino Squad, and keep the good vibes flowing. And now, let's get started. First question, take a look at these emojis. Can you guess the snack? Yup, the answer is puffcorn. First point goes to you. Next up, what junk food do you think this could be? Aha! It's French fries. Easy one, huh? Does this snack look familiar? Of course! That's goldfish, the world's favorite snack. Which junk food do you see here? A brownie! Yummy! This one's a breeze. You got it! Takis! Let's dive right back into the game. Do you recognize this popular bite? Candy cane! Nice one! Okay, buddies, it's challenge time. Look carefully. One candy cane is a little different. Can you find it? Boom! Here's the answer. Can you decode this snack? Spot on! That's Cheetos! Do you recognize this junk food? Bingo! It's nuggets! Choose your surprise gift. Gift 1. Tell us your favorite snack in the comments. And who knows? Dino might give you a special shout out in the next video. Your snack fame is waiting. Gift 2. Smash that like button and let us know the junk food that you're craving right now. If it's epic enough, we might feature it in the next video. Which junk food are these emojis hinting at? Gummy bears. The answer here is hot dog. Guess this snack by the emojis. Whoa, that's popcorn! What's the perfect junk food for these emojis? Apple pie. One more point for you. Do you recognize this one? Boom! The answer is sun chips. Guess the junk food by the emojis. Chocolate chip cookies. Memory challenge time! Study the emojis carefully and lock them into your brain. Now, can you spot the two matching star-shaped chocolate chip cookies? Nice job! You found them! Can you identify this one correctly? Beef jerky. Put the clues together. What's the answer? Perfect guess! It's fish cake ice cream! Got any thoughts on this snack? It's Cheez-It! Can you crack the code just by using these emojis? Cheese balls! What do you think? Yahoo! It's mousse cake! Chex Mix! Take a look at these. Can you figure out the junk food? Jelly beans! You guessed it! Alright, candy lovers, tough choice time! Jelly beans or gummy bears? What's your pick? Drop your pick in the comments. We are dying to see which one wins. Can you guess the snack by the emojis? Twinkies is right. I knew you'd get it. What do you think? So easy! That's pizza rolls! Can you solve this one before time's up? Planters! Yes, you're totally on fire! Here we go! Take a look at these emojis! What junk food pops into your head? It's Pop Rocks! Any ideas? Take a guess! Coffee Bite! What do these emojis tell you? Hooray! It's rice cake! Do you know the name of this one? Cheerios! That's correct! Alright, little detectives, can you point out 3 differences between these 2 pictures? Here is the answer. The 3 differences are revealed. Nice work! Here's another one for you. Can you guess the snack? This is Lay's. Keep it up! A donut! What do these emojis represent? That is Pirate's Booty, no doubt. Can you figure out the junk food from these emojis? M&M's. Tell me your answer. Correct! Sunflower seeds. I love them. What do these emojis show? Of course! A fortune cookie! So good! Any final answers? Great job! A Kit Kat! Check out these emojis. Can you spot the junk food? Pancake. Guess the brand by its sound. Whose sound is that? You got it! It's McDonald's! What's your take on this snack puzzle? Fantastic! This snack is combos! Butterfinger! Awesome work so far! Keep it going! Biscuit is the correct answer! See if you can guess the junk food from these emojis. Well done! It's a chocolate croissant! What junk food forms when you mix these emojis? Snickers! What is the correct answer? Yes! It's frozen yogurt! If you put these emojis together, what snack do you get? Bugles! I'm waiting for your answer! Pumpkin pie! Any guesses on this one? Exactly! Crackers! Are you a math prodigy? Solve this equation! Awesome! 16 is the correct answer. Alright, let's hit the next one. What junk food is this? That's right, it's an egg tart. Moving on, recognize this snack? Yeah, chickpeas. Bravo! Swiss roll. Get ready for this one. Doritos. What is this snack called? Spot on! That's a candy pretzel. Can you crack this emoji code? Lemonhead. Any idea what junk food this is? Wahoo! It's a peanut butter sandwich. Can you guess the snack by the emojis? Nailed it! Corn nuts. Okay, last question. Do you know this junk food? Comment your answer below so Dino can check it out. Wow, you played amazing today! Let Dino know your score in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more fun and silly games with us. We can't wait to play with you again in the next video. See you soon!